Hello my friend. Now we will learn how to check IP address on Windows 10. Simply we have two methods. First method, from the wireless adapter or your Ethernet adapter. Simply guys, go to the right corner. As you can see, right click in your Wi-Fi or network adapter. Okay, select open network and internet settings, then go to Wi-Fi in the left pane. Okay, as you can see, now in the right pane select change adapter option. Okay, now all my adapter here, so my Wi-Fi adapter is Wi-Fi 2. Select your specific network adapter, then right click and click states. Okay, then click details. Here you can see your specific IP address, IP version 4 192.168.1.2. Okay guys, now we have another method with cmd command. Go to search bar in the button, type cmd. Okay, select command prompt, then type ipconfig space /all. Here all adapter, network adapter appear here. I want to select my own adapter settings. Okay, here Wi-Fi 2, wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi 2, as you can see. Okay, my IP address, IP version 4 192.168.1.2, same in the first method, 192.168.1.2. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.